Introducing Arlo Ultra, the ultimate 4K UHD wireless security camera that protects what matters most. 4K video lets you see all the details, up close and personal, so they're easy to distinguish. And a 180-degree field of view gives you wider coverage without fisheye distortion. A built-in motion-activated spotlight wards off unwelcome guests, or helps guide welcomed ones. And two-way noise-canceling audio lets you clearly see and speak with anyone.
Hi, can you leave me to the front door? I'll be down in just a minute.
Right here, okay?
Perfect.
Arlo's intelligence auto-zooms and tracks movement, focusing its frame on what matters, while an intense siren easily wards off any intruders. An adjustable magnetic mount allows you to get the perfect angle, and magnetic charging makes life just that much easier. And with the included advanced smart hub, all your favorite Arlo connected devices will have improved battery life and superior long-range wireless coverage. Arlo Ultra. Protection perfected.